So our first step we're going to do today is our heel and toe. And to do our heel and toe, we're going to jump onto our left leg with all our weight, then our right heel, then we jump onto our right leg, and we do toe with our left foot. So we just try that again, jump onto our left leg, right heel, onto our right leg, left toe, and heel, and toe, and heel, and toe. We try that on the other leg. We're going to jump onto our right leg, onto our left leg, toe, and heel. So this time we're going to alternate between. So this time we're going to change from one foot over to the other foot. So we start off the same way we did at the start. Jump onto our left leg, our right heel in front, our left toe behind, jump onto our back leg, and then we just tap our heel because we're going changing over. Jump onto our right leg this time. Left heel, onto our left leg, right toe, back, and just tap our left heel off the ground. So we go heel, toe, and tap, and heel, and toe, and tap, and heel, and toe, and tap, and heel, and toe, and tap, and heel, toe, tap, heel, toe, tap, heel, toe, tap, heel, toe. One, two, three, up. We go again. One, two, three, up. Heel, toe, tap, heel, toe, tap, heel, toe, tap, heel, toe. One, two, three, up, up, heel, toe. One, two, three, up. One, two, three, up. One, two, three. Okay, so the next part we're going to need is our hop shuffle, hop back. So to do our hop shuffle, hop back, we're going to just balance on our left leg and we're going to do two hops. So we're going to go hop, hop, again, hop, hop. Good. This time we're going to add in a shuffle with our right foot. So you might remember a shuffle from last week. We're going out, back. It's just that much. We're going to kick our leg out and bring it back in again. Out, back. So we're going to go hop, shuffle, hop. That much once more. So hop, hop, shuffle, hop. 1, 2, 3, hop, shuffle, hop. 1, 2, 3, hop, shuffle, hop. And when we bring our shuffling leg back, we're just going to go back. So hop, shuffle, hop, back. Hop, shuffle, hop, back. Hop, shuffle, hop, back. 1, 2, 3, hop, shuffle. shuffle, hop back. Change feet, hop, shuffle, hop back, hop, shuffle, hop back. 1, 2, 3. Try your other foot this time. 1, 2, 3, hop. 1, 2, 3, hop. Now that we have our heel and toe step and our hop shuffle hop back, we're going to put the two together. So we're going to do our heel and toe, start it off the same way. So jump onto our left leg, hop, heel, hop, toe. This time when we jump onto our left leg, we'll start our hop, shuffle, hop back. Hop, shuffle, hop back. Jump onto our right leg, hop, heel, hop, toe. Jump onto our right leg and we start our hop, shuffle, hop back. Hop, shuffle, hop back. So that much again. Hop, heel. One, two, three, hop, heel, toe, shuffle, back, heel, toe, shuffle, hop 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 back, heel, toe. One, two, three. The next pattern we're going to practice is our heel 2, 3. So to start off, we have to balance on our heel to go heel, step, step. Then we go onto our other leg, same thing, heel, step, step. And we go back to our first leg, heel, step, step, heel, step, step, heel. And it's good when we're practicing slow to try and put all our weight in our heel, so we're almost balancing. Then we're going to pick up a little bit of speed. So we go heel, run, run, heel, run, run, heel, run, run, heel, run, run, heel, heel, run, run. One, two,